Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. TikTok has created a TikTok Wellness Hub feature. It was created to create a positive online environment. This feature includes 4 categories: food and nutrition, mindfulness, fitness, and life advice. This feature on TikTok aims to provide guides, advice, and necessary resources and information for the betterment of all the physical, as well as mental well-being of its users. So, today in this video, I will be showing you how to access TikTok Wellness Hub. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you will see the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now, type Wellness Hub in the search bar at the top of the screen and hit search at the top right corner. Here, you will see lots of options. Choose the hashtag option and tap on it. You will find lots of hashtags related to this topic. Tap the first hashtag that is displayed on the screen. From here, tap the link below the hashtag, and it will take you to the TikTok Wellness Hub. Here, you will find a lot of topics related to health and wellness. Choose any topic that you like, and aim to keep your health physically and mentally strong. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to access TikTok Wellness Hub on TikTok. Don't forget to like our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.